Yeah, I just had my Serpentine belt replaced. What I did was I had a problem with squealing and squeaking on startup. And actually, it lasted for quite a while, and it was going on longer and longer, but specifically with startup, squealing and squeaking noises coming from under the hood. The way you find out if it's the belt or not is you spray or put water on the belt when the engine's off, of course, and then run it. And if after you put water on the belt, the noise goes away, it's a belt problem. And when these belts age, they start to squeal and squeak. And if your pulleys aren't in perfect alignment, they will start to squeal and squeak. So the remedy here, and it's not showing on my receipt, but I will tell you, I got a Gatorback belt. It's called Gatorback. Make sure you ask for Gatorback. Make sure you get Gatorback. It's going to solve almost all the problems that result from anything dealing with belt noise. And again, you'll know it if you spray water on the belt and the noise goes away. And of course, it'll come back when the belt dries out. But get the Gatorback. Ask for the Gatorback. That solves almost all your problems.